Horizon's Wind Energy Education Kit gives students the chance to explore the potential of wind energy by experimenting with a working model of the wind turbines that provide power to cities and towns around the world today. With wind from a fan or a windy day outside, the Wind Energy Education Kit provides electric current that can light up LEDs on the included LED module. The Wind Energy Education Kit also lets students change the characteristics of their wind turbine to maximize its power output. The easily assembled rotor is built to hold anywhere from 1 to 6 turbine blades. 3 different types of blades with different shapes and cross-sections are available to choose from. The blades easily snap in and out, combining safe, strong assembly with a simple installation and removal process. And each of these blades can be adjusted to 3 different angles, allowing students to test which blade positions work best at different wind speeds. When used with the Horizon Renewable Energy Monitor, sold separately, the Wind Energy Education Kit can be used to gather real-time quantitative data, such as the amps and volts put out by the generator, or even the revolutions per minute of the turbine. Like all of Horizon's science kits, the Wind Energy Education Kit comes with access to premium curricular materials from horizoncurriculum.com when you purchase through our exclusive resellers. Hours of standards-aligned activities for middle and high school students in physics, chemistry, and earth science ensure that students in many different science classes can run experiments with wind turbines. For teachers, lesson plans and a full teacher's guide are included, as well as support materials and differentiation tools. All this, plus access to more than 120 pages of information on renewable energy, means that teachers have an array of resources to help their students succeed in many different subjects. The Wind Energy Education Kit gives students the opportunity to perform hours of experiments with a working wind turbine. Visit horizoneducational.com today to learn more about this and other great products from Horizon.